Hi guys, welcome to MathWorks. Today we're going to be adding and subtracting fractions with the same denominator. Alright, so this is really easy. We'll start off by adding 1/3 plus 1/3. And here, because the same denominator, denominator is the bottom one here, numerator is the top one. So numerator is here. Denominator is these bottom ones. Okay, so with fractions with the same denominator, the denominator remains the same when adding or subtracting. So equals same, 3 at the bottom, and all we're doing is adding the numerator. So 1 plus 1 is 2, 2/3. Alright, let's do another one. 1/6 plus 1/6. And here the denominator remains the same, whereas the numerator we add together. So that is equal to, denominator remains the same, that's 6, and the numerator is 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2/6. Let's do one more. Now we have 3/7 plus, it has to have the same denominator, so over 7, let's go plus 6/7. And let's keep the same color. So here, this remains the same because it's in the denominator, and they have the same denominator value. So that is going to be 7. And then for the numerator, we add them together, 3 plus 6, which is equal to 9/7. And that is your final answer. And we can do the same thing for subtraction. We need denominators the same. So if we have 5/8 minus 3/8, this is the same denominator, therefore it remains the same for the final answer. But now we've got 5, and here is a minus, so 5 minus 3, 5 minus 3 is equal to 2/8, which is equal to 1/4. Let's do one more. What should we have in the denominator? Let's say 10 in the denominator, and it's going to be a minus sign. We could have 2 and 4. So now 10, that remains the same. 10 on the bottom. Here we have a minus, and this minus sign goes here. And now we have 2 minus 4. 2 minus 4. And 2 minus 4 gives -2. So -2/10. Let's do one more. I think you'll be getting the hang of it now. The denominator always remains the same when they have the same value in the denominator, and all we're doing is either minus or add, depending on what it's asking in this section here. So let's go 4/5 minus 3/5. is equal to, we have a minus sign, so we will just put the minus there automatically. This remains the same because they're both 5s, so we can put a 5 there. This becomes 4 minus 3, 4 minus 3, which is equal to 1 over 5.